In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp video call video post problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp if available in update version, then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, click on permission. Make sure you allow camera permission, allow call logs, contacts, location, any other permission. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open WhatsApp. Now call someone. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp video call push problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.